this January pop up with you. Mad that you have received this. Yours dance.
Oh no, it seems like that you have pirated January pop song. Piracy is a serious crime according to the not copyright law. For your own safety, it is clear that you turn off your phone. You have 5 chances.
For your follow law 5 loop.
Oh, you didn't turn off your phone. Now you lost a chance. You now have 4 chances left. Please turn off your phone, or you will lose another chance. Seriously, you didn't listen to us again. Come on, alright, 3 chances. If you ignore 3 more times, then something bad is gonna happen. Turn off your phone, please. Are you kidding? You didn't listen to us again. Really? You're making us mad, and you wouldn't like us when we get mad. 2 more chances. Turn off your phone. Okay, you're really starting to get on our last nerves. I swear, this is your last chance. If you don't turn off your phone into the next 5 seconds, then you're not gonna like what happens next. That's it. You asked for this.